So I just finished doing my morning routine of hydration post-shower, but on a day where I'm not taking a shower, those are few and far between being a mom, I would typically start off with the cleansing oil, and then I would use a cleansing pad to use the Rosewater Cleanser and wipe that off, and then I would tone with the Rosemary Toner, and then I would go into my serum and then my Petitgrain Moisturizer on a day that I'm not taking a shower and I just need to wash my face. I have two masks, but I don't have my favorite mask right now, so I will be ordering that soon. The Charcoal Sea Kelp Mask. I love this one. The smell's a little funky, but it smells like seaweed. So if you like to eat seaweed, this is yummy. It's what it smells like. If you're not a fan of seaweed, you might not like the smell. I like to eat seaweed, so it doesn't bother me at all. And the Dead Sea Mud Mask. I haven't used this one very much because I don't really have problem skin. I have dry skin, so the oatmeal glow mask is like what I need for my skin type. But my mom loves to use this one. She uses it as a spot treatment when she has breakouts, and just an all-over mask, and she loves it. I've used it a couple times and I love it too. It's not the best for my skin type, as the oatmeal one is like, oh, so good. So that's what I would normally do on a day where I haven't already washed my face in the shower and I just need hydration. Masks once a week, once every couple weeks, and I usually would do them like before I'm gonna take a shower. Like I put it on, leave it for like 10-15 minutes, and then rinse it off in the shower because that's so easy to do. And that's the whole skincare routine on a normal, dirty-faced, non-shower day. Thanks.